Imagine launching a product only to discover parts that don't fit, adhesives that fail, or layers that are misaligned. Frustration, wasted time, and extra cost instantly pile up. In this video, we dive into some of the most common product quality problems, explain the underlying causes, and outline actionable strategies for preventing defects. Common product quality issues often manifest in ways that directly affect functionality and consistency. These problems can include inconsistent parts, flaws in application or overall functionality, adhesives that fail to perform, misaligned layers or holes, and misprints. Each of these issues can disrupt the end user experience, delay production timelines, and increase costs, making early identification critical to spot and avoid. While these problems may seem unavoidable at first glance, many are preventable with proper planning, thorough testing, and collaboration between design and manufacturing teams. Quality issues generally stem from two main sources: design flaws and converting quality problems. Design flaws occur when a product's features are difficult to adapt to production machinery without adjustments or optimizations. A design that works on paper may not translate smoothly to large-scale manufacturing unless the converter reviews and modifies it appropriately. On the other hand, converting quality issues arise from the high precision required in production processes. Machine presses demand hundreds of adjustments, and without careful setup, testing, and monitoring, the resulting parts can be flawed or inconsistent. Early prototyping and trials are essential to identify potential problems and validate the feasibility of complex designs before full-scale production, which helps avoid costly mistakes. Preventing quality issues involves proactive planning and close collaboration with a capable converter. It's important to establish clear quality expectations early in the design process. This includes developing specifications and tolerances that are both functional and economical for your application. It also involves testing your initial ideas through sampling, prototyping, and even trialing before going into full-scale production. That's why it's important to select a converter with a skilled engineering team. By addressing potential problems during the design and pre-production phases, manufacturers can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering costly defects or functional failures later in the process. This approach not only safeguards product quality, but also ensures a smoother, more efficient production cycle. If you want to learn more about how you can prevent quality issues and delays, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.